Website you should know, Part 6. I found a website that has thousands of instant sound buttons you can play with one tap. It's called MyInstance, and it's basically the ultimate soundboard. You've got categories for everything: anime, memes, games, viral sounds, even TikTok trends. You just scroll through, find something like Vine Boom or Emotional Damage, tap it, and it plays instantly. No loading, no ads in your face, just immediate sound. You can even upload your own sounds and build a favorites list. Best part? It's completely free, no account needed, and they even have a web app you can install on your phone. Go turn your phone into the ultimate soundboard right now.